Achoo! 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 Achoo!
Who's that, huh? Jasmine, come here. Where's Jasmine? There she is. There's Jasmine. Hey. What you doing? Is that the outfit Mommy wore? That's the very first outfit that Grandma bought for your mommy when I found out I was going to have her.